Welcome back once again on the Scouting Report. Kitchen goals. Week 13 brings us a little dish from Sounders keeper Stefan Frei that might go better before a playoff game in Philly. But what do I know about cooking? Steph's the expert. Take it away.
Hey everybody, Stefan Frei here, and today on Kitchen Goals, we'll be making a steak sandwich for all you meat lovers. Let's get into it. Okay, first we want to start and caramelize our onions. It's going to take about 15 minutes or so, or until they're golden brown. Just take your time, watch over them, make sure you don't burn them. So now I'm going to move this to the side, and we're going to start our steak. I'm going to salt and pepper the steak, and we're good to go. Nice and hot. We're going to go for a medium rare today. That means it's going to be on each side for about 3 minutes, but make sure you flip it every minute. All right, this looks great. Internal temperature is about 125 for medium rare. So we're going to pull this off and set it aside, let it rest for about 5 minutes. All right, I got all my components ready. The steak is well rested, so we're going to cut it now. We're going to make sure to cut it against the grain. See how it looks? Perfect, nice little medium. Cut it as thick or as thin as you want. I'm gonna go for a little bit of a thinner cut right now. All right, I think that's enough for a sandwich. So now we're gonna plate. I have my grilled bread right here. Top that with a creamy horseradish that we made before. Gonna top that, so put the meat on one side. All right, now with the meat on there, we're gonna get our onions. Next, we're going to add our cheese. And last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of arugula. And there you have it. That is my take on the steak sandwich. And if you're interested in this recipe, you can go to KaiRo7.com/sports.
I mean, he continues to impress with the stuff he's cooking up. Back to Sunday now. The Rams